we just opened up potentially the next 1000% winner here, CLOV. Hi, my name's Hamilton. I'm here with the Trading Initiative, and today is July 21st, 2023. We're going to be going through my open positions at the end of the week. We've been doing this for a while, but never posted on YouTube, so this is the first actual video that we are going to be posting, where we go over my positions list live over YouTube. This is what you can see. This is what I'm heading into the weekend here as we wrap up the Friday session. It's currently 2:48 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. You can see that I'm rolling into the weekend with a bunch of big winners, but if you've been following my content on Twitter, you see that there are some notable names that are missing. I closed PanW, Palo Alto, I closed ON, and I closed Palantir, all for multiple hundreds of percent winners. I thought that these started to get a little bit overextended. We're starting to see some rotation into sectors such as energy, industrials, and healthcare, and so I just want to reduce my exposure to tech right now. You can see yesterday's close on Palantir seems to be like the good idea there with today's big drawdown. I'm just seeing a lot of cracks in the armor in terms of growth names moving forward, Q3, Q4 of 2023. I don't think they're going to have the same sort of push that they did over the last 12 weeks, and so I'm starting to close these things as it makes sense and rotate into some other sectors. We're going to go through that in one sec. You can see here the Palantir close looks pretty okay, and then the last one, what was it? Palantir, PanW, PanW. There we go. Once again, leading cybersecurity stock, fantastic trade, damn near hit our PT, was able to close out of this for 250% win if I'm not mistaken. So all three big wins, super happy with the way that they went, but this week is all about opening up new positions into some underserved areas of the market, namely JPM up 140, Zion up 117. We also opened up Caterpillar. I have TCN and LPX that have been on here for about 2 weeks now, but those are parts of the areas of the market that we're starting to get involved in. And then the Clove trade down here, and AM actually opened up a lot of names down here. So let's go through a couple of them really quick. CLOV, this is a healthcare related stock. It's a SPAC special. Chamath down 95 to 98% from its all-time high. Just absolute crap. But guess what? This type of crap is moving right now. We have a little bit of a rounded bottom here, a 200-day moving average breakout. We have a resistance area at 2, which we are targeting for the particular play. 7.72 ADR, RSI trending above the 50, and a low volume node up and over the 200-day moving average. This appears to be a potential awesome opportunity to get long a healthcare related name that is a small cap, $575 million market cap. That goes along with our IWM thesis that small caps are going to be outperforming for the rest of the year. This is the name that we decided to start to accumulate on a potential squeeze up towards that $2 range. Right now, the spreads on this contract are down, or not down, but they're wide. The bid and the ask really bad. So the spread here looks really bad. It's not this bad. As a matter of fact, the stock is up today. So this is just a wonky ask versus bid. Not a big issue. Expecting big things out of here from CLOV. AM Ontario, midstream. This is an energy related play. You see some of the writings that I drew for some of the guys in TTI as we were taking this trade. We like this. It's a horizontal level breakout with a retest. That's our BRB entry mechanism. All of the writings on the wall. RSI is up, has a catalyst coming up. Lower ADR, which is fine. It's an energy related play. This is a gas pipeline play. We are starting to see XLE break out, and we want to try to capture that as early as we can. Speaking of breaking out, I want you to go ahead and look at this relative rotation graph. You can see, now this is 2 days old, you can see the rotation of sectors. Communications is starting to come down, which makes sense. Meta, Google, etc., Disney are showing a lot of short-term weakness here. Starting to see some reversals in consumer discretionary and tech. These have been the three sectors that have led all year. We're starting to see them underperform. That's not to say they're going to die. That's not to say they're going to capitulate. It just goes to show you that maybe they're not going to be leading for very much longer. Look at some of the areas of the market that are starting to pop up and improve. Financials, industrials, energy, and healthcare down here. This is 2 days old, so healthcare I'm assuming is going to be a lot closer to that improving quadrant, but that's where we're looking to start allocating our scarce capital, no longer in the tech, consumer discretionary, and communication names. So once again, looking at my positions list, AM, we opened up a Caterpillar name, which I'm pretty excited about. Don't expect this to be a huge grand slam of a trade, but this is an all-time high name that's leading the industrial space. This is one of the largest companies in the industrial sector. It's a $133 billion market cap, one of the largest machinery making companies in the world, Caterpillar. We're looking for a big move up towards that $300 area. You can see the supporting evidence there, 200-day moving average, the RSI, etc. We like this name, but something I have to tell you guys, if you're opening up some of these value names, you have to buy time. They don't move very fast. You have to buy more time than you expect to need. So we are looking to open up, for example, the Caterpillar January calls. January. We're looking for multiple, like 100+ days out. AM, looking for the December. See how we're starting to come up with a theme here? Even the older value plays. LPX January. TCN, this is a little bit different, but we're looking for a quick move. We're not getting the quick move, but that's a September play. You can see though, we're looking for lots of time. The October 160 there, and then the Zion October as well. We're not looking to play these particularly short. The lower the ADR, the more time you're going to need. But guys, this is about to wrap this up. I'm up 70% open profitability heading into the weekend. I was down to 59 at the lowest point today. This week has been fantastic. I added a lot of equity to the account by closing out Palantir, PanW, and ON. I also got rid of ASAN. It finally closed. It was a 95% loss. So I did take nearly a full loss on ASAN, but everything else is coasting. I've had a fantastic 12 to 14 weeks. Have really grown the account a lot. And this is what I'm looking like heading into this weekend. Guys, if you have any questions about the open positions, feel free, add them below. I will try to help you out as best I can. And look at some of the charts. Look at some of the names that we're long right now. Do they make sense to be buying? Do you agree with this sector rotation theory? I totally think that over Q3 and Q4, small caps are going to have an opportunity to run, but realistically, it's going to be industrials, energy, healthcare, and what was the other one? Industrials, financials, energy, and healthcare. Those are going to be the four sectors that are really going to start to outperform Q3, Q4, and we are right now positioning ourselves to get in front of that. Please like and subscribe if you like this type of content. It helps me out and motivates me to make this stuff. Some of you guys have messaged me that you've made a couple bucks off of the plays that we've taken on YouTube, etc. I appreciate that, but what I'd really like is a reply down below, get the algorithm kicking, like this video. That would make me feel a lot better than the random comments or messages you're sending me about making money. I'm glad you're making money, but I really want to try to grow this YouTube account. It's hard getting recognized on YouTube for good content. All right. I appreciate you. Comment below and I'll catch you in the next video.